But the worst sleeper on earth, the snorer. I know some of y'all in here right now, I can tell. I can see your bellies and I can see it in your noses. You snore, don't you, sir? I knew it. I can see it. Look at her face, she's like, he do. All the time. Watch this, clap if you ever fell asleep with someone who snores. See how hard she clapped? Because he snores now. Snorers are unconscious jerks. And here's the fact about all snorers. They always fall asleep first. You ever notice that? Snorers never let you fall asleep. As soon as they lay down, it's the worst sound you've ever heard in your life. If you've never slept with a snorer, you're sleeping good. But if you have, you know what I'm going through. As soon as they lay down, all you hear is their face. You're staring at them like, shut up! Why are you so noisy? And then they wake up in the morning and go, how'd you sleep? I didn't! I didn't sleep at all! Yeah, there's noise coming from your face. You know what sucks? When they stop snoring long enough for you to almost go to sleep and then they start back snoring again. It's like, are you watching me in your sleep, you rude bastard? They just... You be like, yeah, dang, I was almost asleep. You ever hit the snore and they sleep and roll over and act like you didn't do it? Only 2 people in the room, but you gonna pretend like it wasn't you. You gotta go to work in the morning, they be, you be like, shut up! Roll over real fast. What happened? I don't know. I was sleeping till you woke me up. You ever see a snorer wake themselves up from snoring with snoring? That's funny, I'm not gonna lie. It's like payback. They be sleeping on the couch, on their back, they can't breathe, they almost die. They blame everybody but themselves. They be on the couch, they be who did it? You did it, that's who did it. Oh.